Sports. Sports combine entertainment and physical exercise. To play is a natural human instinct. Instinct means the way people or animals naturally react or behave without having to think or learn about it. Hence, the history of sports begins with the origin of mankind. Various games have been played since the beginning of civilization. Hunting was indeed a way of obtaining food for the ancient people, but it was also looked upon as a game and entertainment. The ancient Indian literature and epics mention various games such as games of dice, deuth, wrestling, horse and chariot races, and chess. Chariot is a two-wheeled vehicle drawn by horses used in ancient racing and warfare, or a four-wheeled carriage with back seats and a coachman's seat.